Welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let me show you how to fix Warzone 2.0 not launching and crashing on Steam and Battle.net. First, let's go to the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and run as administrator. Enter this command and restart your computer for these changes to take effect. Next, go back to Start menu, search for Settings, go to System, and click Display, and then Graphics. Ensure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is enabled. Restart your PC again, and that's it. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.